Hi there, I'm back. For this video log, I wanted to recreate a project called Student Grading System that uses arrays and pointers. I made this project because I wanted to practice how arrays works together with pointers, and trust me, this is where C's start to get really powerful. So here's the idea. I'll have an array to store the student grades. I'll also use an array of strings to store student names. Then I'll use pointers to process the grade. For example, calculating the average grade by moving through the array with a pointer instead of using the array index. This is a great way to see how arrays and pointers are closely related in C. In this program, I created two arrays, one for the student names and one for their grades. I also declare a pointer called PTR that will point to the grades array. This pointer lets me loop through the grades using pointer arithmetic instead of using a usual indexing. Next, I use a loop to input names and grades. For name, I use a scanf function, which lets me enter names with space like John Smith. Each student gets stored in the arrays. So here's the cool part. Instead of using index, I use the pointer. This means that PTR points to the first grade. PTR plus I moves the pointer to that specific element of grade. And then we have the asterisk, open parenthesis, PTR plus I, close parenthesis. This gives the actual value stored at that position. So this is how arrays and pointers are connected in C. Finally, the program prints all the students with their grades and also calculates the class average using the pointer base sum. And that's it. We now have a student grading system that uses arrays and pointers. This project really helped me understand how pointers can work hand in hand with arrays in C. If you are just starting out, I recommend you to try this yourself and maybe even expand it, like finding the highest and lowest grades. Thanks for the following along, and I'll see you in the next coding adventure.